Merge Gathering, a celebration of innovation, partnership, and progress. And once again, I'm Gerard Philip Perlas Marique, your host for today.
Right? So Premier Lifestyle Club is operating under Premier Lifestyle. It's a group of business people, professionals. Sama-sama po sila, alright? Para i-showcase yung business, makikilala siya. At habang lumalaki po yung business natin, yung club po natin, nagkakaroon po tayo lahat ng cash flow. Ganun siya, simple. PLC will give you an opportunity to showcase your business dito sa Premier Lifestyle Club. So paano mangyayari siya? Through social media accounts ng Premier Lifestyle. We have Business Expo. We have gatherings like this. Alright? And of course, we have what we call our Business Directory. Alright? Meron tayong Business Directory dito.
Pagka ikaw ay nagsimula, pumasok ng trabaho, sa trabaho niyo po, isa lang yung source of income mo doon. So maraming gastos, isang source of income. Pag nagsimula ka naman po mag-traditional negosyo, ang tawag po natin sa mga operational expenses, masweldo sa tao. So isang negosyo yung pinutab mo, napakarami pong expenses. Tama ho? Alam niyo kung ano po yung enjoy ko dito sa Premier Lifestyle? Isang negosyo yung pinasok mo, maraming source of income yung pwede mong ma-enjoy.
Hi everyone! So I'm Dorian May Magbos Evangelista from Binyan, Laguna. Isa po akong business owner ng travel agency. Nakita ko yung gusto nung company and outcome na mangyari ng mga negosyante or yung B2B. Yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko dito kasi isa sa pinaka goal ng mga negosyante yung pagkakaroon ng connections. So happy ako at excited na magkaroon pa ng mas maraming outcome dun sa business ko na makakatulong din syempre dun sa ibang negosyante dito. Thank you and sana mas dumami pa ng dumami next year.
Hi, good day everyone. My name is Joby Nolasco Kibor. I'm a sole proprietor. I'm owning a garments and at the same time, I'm event host and event planner. My experience here in PLC and parang namomotivate din ako to improve more on myself. And at the same time, I am expecting the network of my business will grow up and to do better connections. Kung gusto nyo pong lumawak yung mga connections and at the same time, this is a business-to-business connection.
Magandang araw sa inyo. I'm Ariel Santos Arceo. Right now, I'm a manager of a 50-year-old Giginto printing press in Bulacan. I am also involved right now in advocacy through our Salika Foundation. I also manage a 62-year law office actually by my dad. Kasi nakita ko yung magiging prospect of our advocacy being also introduced here at PLC. That in itself would be a big part of my intention of really pushing myself on being active here at PLC. At naniniwala po ako na dito sa PLC ay maraming pagkakataon. Magkakatuwang yung negosyo, yung advokasya para sa sama-samang tagunlad ng nating mga Pilipino. Ano? Sabi nga namin sa Salika Foundation, ang PLC, nandyan yan, at ang Salika, nandyan yan, at iba pang negosyo. Pagsama-sama, kayang-kaya. Magandang araw at mabuhay ang PLC.
See you on our next Business Expo!
We are inviting everyone to join us every Monday to Friday here in our lounge, Premier Lifestyle Lounge, 6:30 every night. We will be having our business preview, and of course, every Saturday we have a different kinds of activities and program. So again, watch out for our more good news just for you.